Hello friends, I welcome you all. Myself Swati Pawar, Assistant Professor of Language from KK College of Agriculture. Today we are going to discuss about the bibliography. In today's session we are going to see what is bibliography, what are the traits of bibliography, what are the standard style of citation of bibliography that today we are going to see. See the first we are going to see the meaning of bibliography word. Bibliography word is derived from two Greek words. First one biblion, and the biblion word meaning is book, and graphein meaning to write or the writing of books. Means the bibliography word is made by two Greek words. First one biblion and second one graphein. Next one, see the definition of bibliography. What is bibliography? A bibliography is an orderly list of resources on a particular subject. See, whenever you are going to check any book, at the last page they have given the some resource material, means which resources is used for preparing or for compiling that book's data. That is the bibliography. A bibliography provides the full reference information for all the sources which you may have consulted in preparing a particular project. The purpose of bibliography is to allow the reader to trace the sources used. Means the bibliography is providing the sources, which sources is used by the writer, and the purpose of the bibliography is going to allow the reader to trace out the which sources is used by the writer. This is the main purpose of the bibliography. See the next one, distinguishing traits of bibliography. Bibliography have some traits. See the first one, the author name is listed in a reverse order. Reverse order means you are going to write down first surname, after that you are going to write down the name of that person, after that you are going to write down the first name of that person. Purpose, and what is the purpose behind it? The purpose is because you want to arrange it in a alphabetical order. See the second one, the entry is generally presented in hanging identification form. This is the second and subsequent lines of an entry begin a uniform distance, means you have to keep a uniform distance to the right of the beginning point of the first line. You have to maintain that distance. Third one, the entry gives the inclusive pages of articles but not for the books, and does not refer to any one page or a passage. Last one, second and subsequent references to the publication of the same author are indicated by a uniform line. Means this is the last one, traits. References as well as the publication of the same author are indicated in a uniform line, means in a same line. See next one, standard citation style used in a bibliography. Bibliography use some standard citation styles. There are various formats used in the citation of bibliography, such as American Psychological Association, this is called APA, Modern Language Association of America, this is called MLA, and Chicago Manual of Style, and Council of Biology Editors, this is called CBE. These styles or these formats is used a number of times. The APA style of referencing is common in the purpose or in the papers written on the topics of a social sciences. Means whenever the writer is writing related with the social sciences, that time the writer gives the preference to the using of APA style of bibliography. Second one, MLA style. MLA style is used in the field of humanities, and the CBE is popular citation style in the natural sciences. See the example. First we are going to see the MLA. MLA for books. First they have given the name of the author, title of the book, subtitle, city of publication, publisher, and after that year. See, name of the author Arnold. Title of the book is Francis Grace. After that, Texas Stack Wagner 1992. After that, we are going to see the APA style. Author's last name, first initial, book title, additional information, city of publication, publishing company. See, Alan T. 1974. Publication date they have mentioned in their Vanishing Wildlife of the North America. That is the book title. Additional information they have mentioned here, Washington DC National Geography Society. That information has given here. Making a bibliography for a book. Whenever you are going to write a book, how you are going to make your own bibliography. Author's last name first, title of the book, city, publisher and date of the publication you are going to mention. See, example has given here. Gordon Seth. This is the name of the author. The title of the book is Purple Cow, Transformation Your Business for by Being Remarkable. This is the name of the publisher. The name of the city is New York, Upper Saddle River, and the year of publication is 2002. For an encyclopedia title, edition date, volume number, article title and page numbers. See, for example, the Encyclopedia Britannica 1997, volume 7, Gorillas, pp means page number 51 to 55. For a magazine, see, author's last name first, article title, name of magazine, volume number, date, page numbers. For example, Jordan Jennifer. After that, name of the magazine is Filming on the Top of the World. Museum of Science magazine. This is the volume number 7, Winter 1998 and the page number 11. See, for a newspaper, author last name first, article title, name of the newspaper, city, state of publication, date, edition if available, section, page numbers. For example, powers and new trends, the New York Times, New York, NY, 3rd January 1998, Atlantics region, section 2, page number 3. World Wide Web, when you are going to use the www. See, URL, Uniform Resource Located. This is the full form of URL or www address. Authors or items name if mentioned date. For example, http www.thehindu.com. Today's news, August 1st, 2012. This is the URL information. Government publication, USC, US Environmental Protection Agency, Office of Air Radiation, Healthy Buildings, Healthy People, a vision for the 21st century, October 2001. After that, they have given here the URL. Miscellaneous means General Intelligence Agency, Commonwealth of Independent States, Central European States, Washington DC, Central Intelligence Agency, 2003 map. See, some hints has given here for to write down your own bibliography. Remember to write down the bibliography details of resources as you use it. Don't wait until the end of the assignments when you have written some of the resources and think which book did I use. where is it, means whenever you are going to write down, or whenever you want to use the bibliography for your writing material, that time as finish as your material, that time only you have to write down your bibliographic details. If you are thinking like that we write when we complete all our work, that time you didn't remember which book did you use and where is it. So it's important, whenever you use it, write down on the spot or on that time only. That time you need not to worry about the which book you have used. Okay, that much is included in a bibliography procedure. Thank you all.